Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm doing a DIY marble office desk transformation, and if you're interested, definitely stay tuned. This is such a simple, fun DIY that anyone can try at home to transform your basic old desk into a glamified marble style office space. And marble is such a beautiful design. I absolutely love it. So you want to make sure you measure the tape to the appropriate size of the desk so you don't leave out any spots that aren't covered. So I learned it's best to remove the paper at the bottom as you go at a slow pace while placing down the adhesive to keep any potential air bubbles from forming. So if you have noticed any air bubbles that did form under the tape, you can use your scissor, or you can use a card, or you can just even lift it up and kind of use your hand to flatten out any bubbles that you do notice, and it works very well. So when you're doing this project, you want to make sure you get all the edges, and you want to make sure the desk is fully covered with the adhesive tape. So the goal is to make sure that the desk looks professional and well put together, and also just making sure that the marble is laid out well. So with that being said, you want to make sure you cut evenly, and you want to make sure everything is intact. You don't want to have any scraggly lines, nothing like that. So I bought this desk at TJ Maxx, and I love the way that the style of the desk is. It has a lower part and it has a top part, which is quite high, which I like for my desktop. So you're going to use the same technique. You're just going to use your hand or your scissor or a card to avoid any air bubbles. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to cut any excess. You're going to make sure those areas are straight, not leaving any scraggly lines. So you're just going to continue doing this and make sure everything is covered. So I didn't leave these scraggly ends the way they are here. I actually went over this portion with some extra tape that I had left over, and I just went around all of the sides of the desk. As you can see here, everything is aligned. All my edges are clean all around the desk, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoy. So be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up down below. I hope you guys love the transformation just as much as I do. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.